Relationship. Family. Family means परिवार. Relation. नाता or सम्बन्ध. Relative. नातेदार. Parent. अभिभावक. Generation. पुस्ता. Own brother or sister, etc. means साखै. साखै means own. Grandfather. हजुरबुवा or बाजे. हजुरबुवा sounds better than बाजे. Grandmother. हजुरआमा. बजै. Grandson. नाति. Granddaughter. नातिनी. Father. बुवा or बाउ. Bao sounds little bit informal. Buba or bua sounds good. Mother. Ama. Husband. Sriman or Logne. Wife. Srimati or Swasni. Spouse. Pati, Patni. Son. Chora. Daughter. Chori or Putri. Normally we say chori. Child. Bachcha. Children. Bachchaharu. Siblings. Bhai bahiniharu. Elder brother. Dai. Younger brother. Bhai. Sister-in-law. Elder brother's wife. Bhauju. Sister-in-law. Younger brother's wife. Buhari. Now sisters. For elder sister we say Didi. 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 And for younger sister we say Bahini. Brother-in-law. Elder sister's husband. Bhinaju. Brother-in-law. Younger sister's husband. Join. And now for nephew. Brother's son. Bhatija. Bhatija. Niece. Brother's daughter. Bhatiji. Nephew. Sister's son. Bhanja. Niece. Sister's daughter. Bhanji. Son-in-law. Join. Daughter-in-law. Buhari. Uncle. Thulo buba or kaka. Father's elder brother means Thulo buba. Father's younger brother means kaka. And father's elder brother's wife is Thuli ama. Father's younger brother's wife is Kaki. Now on father's sister's side, father's sisters mean Fupu. For younger or for elder, we say Fupu. And for father's sister's husband is Pupaju. Both for younger and elder, Pupaju. Stepfather. Stepfather means Sautelu Bua. Stepmother. Sautelu Ama or Sauteni Ama. People also say Sauteni Ama or Sautelo Ama. Stepson. Sautelu Choro or Sautelu Chora. Stepdaughter. Sauteli Chori. Stepbrother. Elder brother. Sautelu Dai. Stepsister. Elder. Sauteli Didi. Stepbrother. Younger. Sautelu Bhai. Stepsister. Younger. Sauteli Bahini. And now for adopted son, Dharma Putra. Adopted daughter, Dharma Putri. Dharma Putra and Dharma Putri. Now mother's side. Grandfather, mother's father, Hazur Buwa or Baze. Mother's mother, Hazur Ama, or you can also say Baze, like as we said before. Maternal uncle, Mama. Maternal aunt, Maiju. Now husband's side. Husband's father, father-in-law. For husband's father, you can say Sasura. And for husband mother, mother-in-law, you can say Sasu. Brother-in-law, Jethaju, elder brother. Brother-in-law, younger brother, Devar, husband's younger brother. Now for sister-in-law, husband's elder brother's wife, Jethani. Sister-in-law, husband's younger brother's wife, Devrani. Sister-in-law, husband's elder sister, Amaju. Sister-in-law, husband's younger sister, Nanda. Now on wife's side, father-in-law, Sasura. Similarly as on husband's side, mother-in-law, wife's mother, Sasu. Brother-in-law, Jethan, wife's brother, wife's elder brother, and wife's younger brother, Salo or Sala. Sister-in-law, wife's elder sister, Jeti Sasu. Sister-in-law, wife's younger sister, Sali.